Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students of class 6, I hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I am also, and good morning to all my dear students of class 6. Welcome once again after 1 week. I come back again. Today I am going to discuss about simple equation in mathematics. So I think you'll stay with me and enjoy the class. And before starting my class, I'd like to request one thing. Don't send any unnecessary comments, sticker or message which disturbs to conduct the class. So I think you have to maintain. Let's start our class. So take your book. Today you have to open page number 110. Simple equation 110. First you have to take the book to mark something. Page 111 you open and mark it. You see second line. In second line, a mathematical open sentence associated with equality sign is called an equation. Have you got it? Or you can write this one. A mathematical sentence associated with an unknown quantity or variable operational sign and equality sign is the equation. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to make it clear. Okay, now I think clear. Okay, you see first what I have told, you have to mark this. A mathematical open sentence associated with equality sign is called an equation. Or you can write what is equation, this one. A mathematical sentence associated with an equation, quantity or variable operational sign and equality sign is the equation. Okay, and then you will mark an equation has two sides. This you have to mark for MCQ. An equation has two sides. The expression on the left of equation sign is called left side, and the expression on the right of the equality sign is called the right side. Got it? After then you have to mark this line. equations having variables of degree 1 is called a simple equation. Equation having variables of degree 1 is called a simple equation. If come, what is simple equation? You have to write it. Equations having variables of degree 1 is called a simple equation. These are the examples of simple equation. I mean, there is one variable. You see, x, 2x, y, z, like that. Okay. Simple equations. And if there is x plus y, you see 2x, y, two unknown quantity, that is very simple equation with two variables. Okay. And then finally you mark this one. The process of determining the value of the variable from an equation is called the solution of the equation. Okay. It is also called the root of the equation. The value of the variable is called the root of the equation. Is it clear? Okay, now I am going to solve exercise first. Exercise 5. You see, first here is given one number. Which one of the following is the value of the variable in the equation x plus 3 equals to 8? What is the value of x here? You may take 3 right side and it will be subtract. So 8 minus 3, 5. The answer will be B. Which one of the following is the root of the equation 4x equals to 8? You see, there is multiplication. So if I take the 4 in right side, it will be divide. I mean 8 divide 4, it will be 2. So answer will be A. Amount of Mac's money is twice the amount of Mary's money. They have together 30 taka in total. How much money does Mary have? That means amount of Mac's money is twice the amounts of Mary's money. If Mary's money x, then Mac's money 2x. That means x plus 2x equals to 30. Okay. How much money does Mary have? So x equals to what? 10. It will be 10. Answer will be D. Okay. Like this, you have to solve this MCQ. Okay. I am going to solve maths now. From 12 it started. Okay. If you are not able to see or hear, just comments me. Okay. I will start from 12. See, 12 number, x plus 4 equals to 13. So here plus 4, if I take it in right side, it will be minus 4. But we will not take it, just you will write like that. X plus 4, its opposite, plus 4. What is the opposite of plus 4? Minus 4. 13 minus 4. And you have to write subtracting 4 from both sides. Okay. You have to write in side note. Subtracting 4 from both sides. Okay, subtracting 4 from both sides. It will be page number 121. Page number 121. Or x equals to 13 minus 4, it will be what? 9. Am I right? So the answer 9. Is it clear? Now I am going to solve 13 number. It is written x plus 5 equals to 9. So you see, here is plus 5. So you have to do its opposite. That means you have to subtract 5 from both sides. Okay, or x plus 5 minus 5 equals to 9 minus 5. Subtracting 5 from both sides, or x equals to, if I subtract it, it will be 4. 9 minus 5, it will be 4. Equation is 4. Answer 4. Now 14 number. See what is written. 14 number. Y plus 1 equals to 10. Y plus 1 equals to 10. You see here is plus 1, so you have to subtract minus 1. You have to subtract 1 from both sides, or y plus 1, and you have to write here minus 1. 10 minus 1, it will be subtracting 1 from both sides, or y equals to 10 minus 1, it will be 9. The root of the equation is 9. Answer 9. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to solve 15 number. Can you see everything? Number, y minus 5 equals to 11. So you see there is minus 5. What is the opposite of minus 5? Plus 5. So you have to add 5 in both sides, or y minus 5 plus 5 equals to 11 plus 5. And you have to write inside note adding 5 to both the sides. Adding 5 to both the sides. Adding 5 to both the sides. So it will be what? Y equal 11 plus 5, it will be 16. So the root of the answer 16. Now 16 number, z plus 3 equals to 15. So what is the opposite of plus 3? It will be minus 3, or z plus 3 minus 3 equals to 15 minus 3. And side note, you have to write subtracting 3 from both sides. Am I right? From both sides. Is it clear? Subtracting 3 from both sides. And what will be the answer? Or z equals to 15 minus 3, it will be 12. So the root of the equation is 12. Answer 12. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to solve 17 number. You see, it is written 3x equals to 12. So you see, there is 3 into x. That means it is multiplication. What is the opposite of multiplication? It will be division. Am I right? That means you have to divide by 3, or 3x by 3, 12 by 3. Okay, 12 by 3 you have to write inside, no, dividing both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 3, what will be the result? Or x equals to, it will be 4. You may cut 3 and 3, so it will be 4. So the root of the equation is 4. Answer 4. Okay, now I am going to solve 18 number. You see 18 number, what is written here? 2x plus 1 equals to 9. Seventeen number, I have written here 3x equals to 12, or 3x by 3. It is multiplication, so you have to divide. 12 by 3, 3 you may cut, there will be x, and 12 divided 3, it will be 4. So the root of the equation is 4. Have you understood? Okay. 2x plus 1 equals to 9. It will be what? You see, first you have to subtract 1 from both sides, because in left side there is plus 1. What is the opposite of plus 1? Minus 1. Okay. Or 2x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 9 minus 1. So you have to write subtracting 1 from both sides. Subtracting 1 from both sides. Okay, subtracting 1 from both sides, you have to write. And then if I write plus 1 minus 1, it will be cancelled. There will be 2x, and 9 minus 1, it will be 8. Now you see it is 2x, so 2 into x, so you have to divide it by 2, or 2x by 2 equals to 8 by 2. Is it clear? And you have to write dividing both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. There will be x. 8 minus 2, it will be 4. So the root of the equation is 4. Answer 4. Is it clear? Now I am solving 19 number. 4x minus 5 equals to 11. So you see there is minus 5, so you have to add. You have to add 5 in both sides. So it will be what? 4x minus 5 plus 5 equals to what? 11 plus 5. And you have to write in side note adding 5 to both the sides. Adding 5 to both the sides. Okay. Adding 5 to both the sides, or 4x equals to, it will be what? 11 plus 5, it will be 16, or 4x by 4 equals to 16 by 4, dividing both sides by dividing both sides by dividing both sides by 4. So it will be what? X equals to 4. Thank you, my dear students of class 6. The root of the equation is 4. Answer 4. Okay. Now I am going to solve 20 number. Thank you very much. Have you seen? Okay, now I am writing 20. What is written here? You see, 3x minus 5 equals to 17. In 20 number, it is written here 3x minus 5 equals to 17. So at first, what's our duty? You have to add 5 in both sides. Am I right? Plus 5. 17 plus 5. Or 3x equals to 17 plus 5. If I add it, what will be? 22. Am I right? Adding, here you have to write adding 5 to both the sides. Adding 5 to both the sides. Okay, or 3x by 3 equals to 22 by 3. Or x equals to, you can cut 3 and 3, but it is not possible to cut. Am I right? So it will be 22 by 3. So the root of the (22 by 3). Answer 22 by 3. (21). 21, what is written? You see, 7x minus 2 equals to x plus 16. So at first you see there is minus 2, so you have to add 2 in both sides. Here you have to write dividing both sides by 3. Is it clear? No need to convert into decimal. Okay, just keep it in fraction, that's okay. Or 7x minus 2, you have to write here plus 2. X plus 16 plus 2. And you have to write here adding 2 to both the sides. Adding 2 to both the sides. Is it clear? So, or 7x here plus 2 minus 2 cut, I mean it will be 0. 7x equals to x plus 16 plus 2, it will be 18. Now see, you have to find the value of x. Whatever you will find, you have to keep it in left side. Okay, so in right side there is x, so you have to subtract x from both sides. Or 7x minus x, x plus 18 minus x, or 6x equals to 18, and you have to write here subtracting x from both the sides. Or 6x by 6 equals to 18 by 6. You have to write here dividing both sides by 6. So what will be the result? Or x equals to 3. The root of the equation is 3, and the answer will be 3. Can you see? I am going to explain 21 number again. You see, whatever you will find, you have to take it in left. Okay, so we here the unknown variable is x, so we have to find the value of x. At first there is minus 2 with 7x, so to remove minus 2 you have to add plus 2. Opposite of minus 2, that will be plus 2. That's why I have written here plus 2 in both sides. And there 7x plus 2 minus 2, it will be cancelled, and here x plus 16 plus 2, it will be 18. Is it clear? Now you see in right side there is x, but you have to remove x from right side. So how is it possible to remove? There is, okay, that's why I have subtracted 7x minus x equals to x plus 18 minus x. You see there are 7x and there is only x. So from 7x, if I subtract 1x, it will be 6x. Here x and x you may cut, or it will be 0, and there will remain 18. Now 6 multiply x, that's why I have divided by 6. Okay, so 6x by 6 equals to 18 by 6. 18 by 6, it will be 3, and 6 you may cut. Is it clear? Now 22 number I am going to solve. Three minus x equals to 14. 3 minus x equals to 14. You see both sides. To make it easy, we can solve it in different way. You see now in left side there is minus x, so you have to add 1x to remove it. 14 plus x equals to 3 minus x plus x, or 14 plus x, it will be 3. You may write subtracting, adding x to both the sides. Adding x to both the sides. Or you see now in left side there is 14, so you have to subtract 14 from both sides. So it will be x equals to minus 11. Root of the equation is minus 11. Answer minus 11. You have to write here subtracting (14) from both the sides. Okay, I am going to explain it again. You see there is 3 minus x, there is minus x, that's why I have reversed it. I have written 14 at first and 3 minus x later. So you see in right side there is minus x, but you have to take the x in left side. That's why I have added 14 plus x equals to 3 minus x plus x. Because of a plus x and minus x, it will be cancelled. So it will be 14 plus x equals to 3. Now in left side there is 14, so we have to remove it. There is plus 14, so you have to subtract 14. I have written here 14 plus x minus 14 equals to 3 minus 14. So it will be what? X equals to 3 minus 14, it will be minus 11. And last one, today's class, 23 number, 2x plus 9 equals to 3. Or 2x plus 9, it will be minus 9. 3 minus 9. Subtracting 9 from both the sides. Subtracting 9 from both the sides. Or 2x equals to, it will be 3 minus 9, it will be minus 6. Or 2x by 2 equals to minus 6 by 2. Or x equals to, it will be minus 3. Answer minus 3. You have to write a side note here, dividing both sides. By 2. Is it clear? So my dear students, that's all today. Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.